Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am excited to unbox my very first letote. It's kind of funny because they've been around for forever, that I am just now partnering with them, but I just reached out and said, I want a tote, can I have one? And they said, sure. And as a matter of fact, anybody who watches the Pink Envelope who wants to try out letote complimentary can have their first month for free. So, if you want to try them out for free, let me know. But what letote is a clothing rental company. So they have subscriptions as low as $69 a month. I did the $99 one because I get 7 clothing items and 3 accessories. But what they do is you go online, you fill out a style profile. Once you're done with the style profile, a computer-generated like algorithm type set spits out your outfits. Not gonna lie, all 7 of my clothing items I exchanged out because I hated them all, hated most of them, and didn't like others. And then the jewelry items I swapped out only because I found things I think I would like a little bit more. They actually did good on that. But shipping is free both ways, and once you seal your tote, once it's ready online, they ship it to you super fast. They give you a bag, pre-stamped and addressed, so when you're ready to return, you put your items in. This is, a little welcome and invoice. So if I'm wearing an item and I find that I actually really kind of love that item and don't want to give it back, I can purchase it at 50% off retail value. And I'll go through the pricing so we can kind of see. I found that the style quiz was easy to fill out, but not real accurate. Like I said, no black, no Nike stuff. And I had like a black big old logo Nike t-shirt in my lineup. But you can swap things out super easy. You don't have to stick with what they give. So I went in and just started swapping my things out. System was a little glitchy at first, but after a while, I kind of got the hang of it and it was really easy. So here's one of the tops that I chose. This is the Ava bell sleeve sweater. Letote price $54. So I don't know, and this is what I'll look up, if this is $54 or if it's half of that. I don't know. But as you can see, like the tag's a little worn. The back of the sweater has a few little, very minor snags nobody would ever notice. If this were a brand new item, I would not be pleased. But since I'm renting it, it's actually in amazing, amazing shape. Next item I have here is the Olivia Culpo off-the-shoulder blouse. Letote pricing $46. I don't know why I'm sticking that way over there. So here's this guy. Looks great. Nothing, it just smells clean, like it doesn't have like a laundry smell or anything of the sort. This is the Summer in Sage bell sleeve top. Letote price $38. Cute. Cute, cute. This is the... No. This is the Octavia elbow bow sweater, price $58. I was hoping this was going to be softer. It's not very soft. Oh, I'll do jewelry in a minute. Oh, I wanted to try these paper bag pants. I'm excited about these. These are the Ava paper bag waist pants on sale right now, 59% off for $34. These are the, I'm throwing my thing. Cut from the cloth, snap ankle pant, $76. See the bottom? And then my last item that's not jewelry is the mom jeans I selected. I'm super excited about these. I think I'm most excited about these. The Calvin Klein jeans high-rise skinny jean on sale for $27. Uh-oh. Hopefully my hubby's not listening. I love to buy all the pants. And I'm going to assume that the reason some of these are on sale is these look like these have been worn a lot. I mean, look at the tag. These look like, and maybe I'm wrong. This is totally my guess. But I would assume that items that have been worn a bit more probably start going on sale so that someone would purchase them if they love them. Then for jewelry, I don't know. I have super sensitive ears. I'm allergic to like everything. And since I was renting, I just didn't feel comfortable getting earrings. So I swapped out all the earrings for bracelets. So I got 3 different bracelets here to try out. I should have taken this one off. Ooh, I love this one. It does not have all. So I think this leaf one is $19 if I want to keep it. It's 50% off right now. This one's $18. I'm assuming on my upper camera y'all can see this. If not, I'll have photos. And then this guy is $22, the teardrop cup. I love all of these. As you can see, this is the style of bracelet I wear. I have a super, super skinny wrist. And so it's hard to find bracelets that match. So there you have it. So I paid $99 for the month. If I want to continue to rent and receive 7 items and 3 accessories every month, I just paid $99 every month, and that's it. If I want to keep anything, I pay for that on top of. I did opt in for the $5 insurance program, so if I pull off a button or a snag an elbow on something, I'm not responsible. Anything else? You can skip if you need to. So if you're like, oh, this next month I'm traveling the whole time, I'm not even going to be in town to get my box. Skip that month. And then, like I said, if you guys want to try, you're like, I want to try a clothing rental. I want to see what this is all about. Message me, leave a comment. I'm just going to need your email address, I think is what I need, to be able to kick them out and send them to you. And you can do it for 100% free. All right, letote. This is super cool. I'm going to try on some of the clothes, see if there's anything that I fall in love with and have to keep. I'll post a few pictures of me and some of the items. I'm not going to post everything. But all you YouTubers who constantly ask, what'd you keep? What'd you like? Go to the blog. That is the source for information. I'll link it below. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope I'll be seeing you later on another video. All right, guys. Bye, y'all.